At National Gear Repair, we understand that major gearbox or pump failures often hit when budgets are tight. That's why we offer flexible financing and payment installment plans designed to help you start your repair today and pay over time. When a gearbox fails, production stops. With National Gear Repair financing, you can begin your rebuild immediately, minimize downtime, and spread costs over several months. With over 30 years of nationwide experience, you'll receive no surprise fees and a 24-month warranty on every certified repair. Getting started is simple. Call us to request a free quote that includes free shipping. Choose the payment option that fits your cash flow cycle. Approve the repair, and we begin immediately.
Whether you're facing an unexpected failure or planning preventative maintenance, we're your repair and financing partner. We can get your gearbox back online without breaking the budget. If you have any questions about your gearbox repair financing options, contact me directly at 909-374-6845.
If you can't afford to wait for capital approval, pay over time while your production line stays running. Call us at 909-374-6845 or visit nationalgearrepair.com to learn more about our gearbox repair financing option.
National Gear Repair, we are the experts in industrial gearbox and pump repair.